Boom shakalaka, massive Bitcoin breakout today, and why these two charts are still terrifying. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're talking about this massive Bitcoin breakout green dildo candle happening, plus why these charts are still terrifying, and some other very interesting Bitcoin charts that might just help you make up your mind exactly what's going on with Bitcoin. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Come join us over on Twitter at @TheCryptoLove. Push the like button. Let's get started. Today, Extreme Fear 22, up from yesterday 20. The overall market up almost 6% today. Bitcoin at 28.24, Ethereum at 17.09, BNB at 2.91, XRP 35 cents, Cardano 49 cents, Solana $35, and Polkadot $7.84. And if you want any top coins today based on artificial intelligence and machine learning, we have BitDAO, Ethereum Name Service, Balancer, Cosmos Hub, and Kyber Network Crystal. And also look at the number of stablecoins there. Free 1-week trial to token metrics down in the description. Now, Bitcoin today breaking out of this massive descending wedge. Massive breakout candle, not only breaks out of that wedge, but also breaks above previous all-time highs, $20,000. And yet, there are some very, very scary charts going on right there. This chart right here, every time a Bitcoin OG moved 500 or 5,000 plus Bitcoin in the past, price subsequently dropped 20 to 80% in the following months. Will this week's transition at 19,500 be the same, or is this time different? You can see right here, someone just moved or sold 5,000 plus Bitcoin. Every time this happened in the past, massive price dump, massive price dump, massive price dump, massive price dump. Will this time be different? Let's sure hope so. But also this chart right here, Maxi Payne, whisper really quietly, but right now Bitcoin is a lagging high beta proxy for a failing ETF run by Cathie Wood, which had record outflows last month. You can see that basically Bitcoin price has lagged behind Cathie Wood's failing ETF. A little bit behind, a little bit behind, a little bit behind, a little behind. Well, potentially this just might do what that continues to do. Another not great chart for Bitcoin. And this chart right here, if we take a look at Bitcoin versus M2, getting close to making new year-to-date lows. We fell below the 2017 peak in May, way back there. And again, this is Bitcoin versus M2 money, not Bitcoin versus USD. Could this be hinting towards a further decline in Bitcoin price towards $13,500 peak right down here? Well, we'll kind of have to see. But as things go right now, Bitcoin not only having this massive breakout today, but working on a textbook bullish divergence. Technicals don't get clearer than this, though it's still a work in progress. We have lower lows in the price. We have higher lows in the RSI. Not only that, but if we take a look at high yield bonds showing signs of underlying strength, the advanced decline line just triggered a thrust signal that was last seen during the March 2020 recovery, way back here. A follow through would mean that the time of risk on assets is around the corner. You can see when this advanced decline line goes from way down here all the way to up here as fast as it did, look at what happened. Well, same thing could potentially happen. We could have a follow through with the time for risk on assets like cryptocurrency. Not only that, but we take a look at the NASDAQ 100 McClellan summation, and it's done it yet again. A move from negative 1,200 to plus 400 has led to jaw-dropping results in 6 to 12 months. We saw it happen back here, and 6 to 12 months later, look at that. We saw it happen right here. 6 to 12 months later, look at that. Well, we just saw it happen once again, meaning that in 6 to 12 months, we could have some massive moves for risk on assets. As a matter of fact, it turns out exactly like we were discussing in the video 2 days ago. Well, we might be getting wicked off. Once again, we were wicked off to the top. Why not get wicked off to the bottom? Everybody thought we were going to $100,000 and it only went to 70. Well, everybody thinks we're going to $13,000. Why not stop at 18? Well, it appears like we just got wicked off once again. We actually had the spring moment right here following a textbook wick off accumulation. Well, potentially could be happening. Bitcoin and the wick-off method. The spring event, blue circle right here, was the day before yesterday. $18,785, lowest daily candle close for Bitcoin in 2022. If so, then the bottom is in for Bitcoin according to the wick-off cycle. We've already been wicked off to the top. Now we got wicked off to the bottom. And now it is time for a cycle reset because Bitcoin repeats its moves in 2018 along with the MACD signal line. We can see we had the triangle, we had a little bit of cup, and then parabolic move. And if we take a look, we had the initial low and the final low on the MACD signal line. Same thing here, triangle, double bottom cup, before parabolic move, same thing with MACD signal, initial low and final low. Potentially, bottom's already in, bull run up and coming. As a matter of fact, Bitcoin is ready for a massive bull run as a historically perfect buy-sell indicator just signaled a buy. If we take a look at this, every time it peaked up here, that was a buy. Every time it peaked down here, that was a sell. Peaked up here, a buy. Peaked down here, a sell, a buy, a sell. Guess what? We just had a buy, which brings us to this right here. Bitcoin active addressers helps us visualize adoption and usage over time. We see less activity during the macro price drops, bear market, but, and this is an important but, like J-Lo's but, those valleys are higher as time progresses. TLDR, Bitcoin is not dead. It's on track with normal adoption. As we can see, these lows get higher. We are getting more adoption, which, when we have a fixed supply and an increasing demand, I don't know about you, but it makes me think the price is going to go up. So that's all for today's episode. If you did enjoy it, push the like button. I will catch you guys later. Have a good one. I love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.